Blue Apron, I just read they're going to have a. Roan just showed up. They're going to have a reverse split. ROAN starting to move. So I'm going to keep an eye on IGC. IGC's up. Their Holy Hemp product is going to participate in Arizona's Industrial Marketing Conference meeting. Sure. We just know the effect of IGC. I won't be swing trading it. I don't mind scalping it, but their float is definitely bigger than before. When they went from 60 cents to $14 and we were trading in it. So I don't know, but they're up 50% right now, which is good.